the bird dog. If you're not doing bird dog regularly, then you should start doing it and do it for the rest of your life. It's one of the best exercises you can do to engage the spinal extensors along your back that will help to protect your spine through everyday movement and to prevent back injuries, because you do not want a back injury, okay? It can change your life in a second. So come to your box plank, your strong box plank, find your good neutral alignment. Wrap those triceps in, engage your lats, engage your core, engage your sides, engage your back. We come to the leg lift first. Extend one leg back and then bring it up. Take your opposite arm forward, as high as the shoulder will allow, and then change. Change sides. Take that leg back and up first. Take the opposite arm up beside the ear and change. When you're ready, move both the limbs at the same time. Now notice, I am not shifting side to side at all when I change. The tendency here is to shift side to side like this, and up and down and lift. A lot of these basic planks can be done without any core engagement. But what's the point in that? So find that good strong core neutral alignment. Keep the abs pulled in, keep the sides pulled in, keep the back strong. Keep the shoulders away from the ears, engaging all the muscles around the shoulder blades. Engage the lats. Extend one leg back. Extend the opposite arm forward. Don't let that shoulder creep up to the ear. Keep the shoulder down. Don't let the lifted leg tilt your pelvis forward and compress your lower spine. Fire up the glutes, fire up the abs, and change. Now notice, sometimes I'll exhale to lift the limbs. Generally on the muscular exertion, you exhale, but then also sometimes I like to inhale. In yoga, usually when we are extending arms to open up the chest, we will inhale. It really doesn't matter. I just want you to keep breathing evenly.